Guys, I'm back. Today we're going to be preparing for 2024. I already can't believe it's coming. I just finished watching Kenna Marie's videos. I always look forward to her videos during this time of the year. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is look back at 2023. We're going to be doing this by looking back at my old New Year's resolutions, which I made last year. So here are they. I said to step out of my comfort zone. I guess I kind of did that by posting acting videos because at first I was a bit skeptical about posting them, but then I posted them. So I guess I was stepping out of my comfort zone. Post more on YouTube. I think I succeeded that one. I've been posting a lot this year. Get rid of negative energy. I don't know. Get at least 100 subscribers on YouTube. I surpassed that. I have 300 subscribers right now. Hopefully we can get to the big 1,000 next year. So hopefully meet new people. I guess I did meet some new people, but I don't know. Hopefully become famous. Still a work in progress. I asked myself some questions. I said, what did I like about this year? I said, this year I graduated from middle school and entered high school. I'm a sophomore right now. So yeah, I asked myself, what did I not like about this year? I said, I didn't really put myself out there and achieve the goals I wanted to achieve. I guess. I feel like I let myself down this year and didn't work hard enough. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be asking ourselves the same questions and setting new Year's resolutions. So let's get into it. Okay, like I said, next we're gonna be setting some goals and some New Year's resolutions for 2024 on my new journal. I already filled out this journal, which is insane. I got this journal in the beginning of the year and I already finished it, so that's, you know, some progress. So yeah, I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Here's my sticker page. I did some stickers in my journal. Okay. Anyways, let's read my New Year's resolutions. I said to eat healthier. I spelled healthier wrong. Don't mind that. I said to work out more. I actually do work out, but then I get lazy and I stop doing it and then I work out again. Like, I don't know. I said to get at least to 400 subscribers. I'm at 300 right now. I think this is possible if I keep doing what I'm doing. I want to get to 400, so hopefully. I said 1,000 if we're lucky. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers next year. Like, please, I pray. Okay. I said to hopefully become famous. I said go new places. I didn't really go anywhere. I did go to Cancun, but like still I want to go to like a lot more places. Try new things, meet new people, and just like have fun this year. So yeah, I said what I liked about this year. I posted more on YouTube and achieved more of my goals. I guess I can say that. What I did not like about this year, I didn't really go to that much places. I mostly stayed home. I guess I do hang out with my friends every once in a while, but like I mostly stay home. But yeah, let's get on to the next thing. Okay, next thing, vision boards. This is actually one of my favorite parts about this process. I just like making vision boards and just, you know, planning out stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go on Pinterest and we're gonna look for some ideas of who we want to be for the next year. So let's get into it. Okay guys, it took a while, but I'm done. Here it is. I put some healthy foods because I said I want to eat healthy, and I also put some working out because I said I want to work out more. I'm not gonna explain the whole thing, but yeah, that's the vision board. I'm gonna put it as my lock screen for my computer because it said it's good to put it as your lock screen to like remind you to encourage yourself, if you know what I mean. But anyways, let's move on to the last thing. Okay, last thing we need to do to prepare for the new year is to start cleaning things around here. I'm kind of too lazy to clean everything, so we're gonna start making up our bed. My mom is always like coming at me for like not making up my bed because like if you notice in like most of my videos, my bed is just like messy. So we're gonna start doing that starting today. So let's get into it. Okay, don't mind the quality. The bed is made. Okay guys, thanks for watching me prepare for 2024. I hope we all have a great new year. Hope nothing bad happens, all positive energy. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.